Chapter number 8, HCF and LCM. First, what is HCF? HCF is highest common factor of two or more numbers which the greatest number exactly divides completely. For example, if you are having 8 and 12, now 8 is divisible by 1, 2, 4 and 8 itself. 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. As you can see, the common numbers are 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4. We are not considering 1. Now HCF stands for highest common factor. Highest common factor. So these numbers are common in factors of 8 and 12. So 4 is the highest common factor here, which divides 8 and 12 exactly. So 4 will be the required HCF of 8 and 12. There is no other number which is greater than 4 and divides 8 and 12 exactly. So this is your HCF. Next is about factors. When two or more natural numbers are multiplied together, the result is referred to as their product, and each of the numbers multiplied is called factor of the product. Suppose you are having 5 into 7. So 5 into 7 you will get 35. So in this case 5 and 7 both are factors of 35. Then one more example, 2 into 3 into 7. So 2 3 ja 6 and 6 7 ja 42. So in this example 2, 3 and 7, these are the factors of 42. Then next is prime number. A natural number that is divisible by only one and itself, it's called prime number. A natural number that is divisible by 1 or itself is called prime number. So 2 is the only even prime and the smallest prime number. Just like we are having 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on we are having. So these all are prime numbers. As you can see, 2 is divisible by 1 or 2 only. 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. 5 is divisible by 1 and 5. 7 is divisible by 1 and 7. 11 is divisible by 1 and 11. 13 is divisible by 1 and 13. So this is prime number. I will explain you in the sieve of Eratosthenes. In that it will be clear to you. So prime number means what? A natural number that is divisible by 1 or itself is known as prime number. So 1 is a factor of every number, then every number is a factor of itself, then 0 cannot be a factor for any number. Now how we are representing, how we are solving. Suppose you are having question, write factors of 25. So you have to write f in subscript 25 equals to, as you can see, 25 is divisible by 1, 5 and 25. So 1, 5 and 25. So like this you have to find factors. Then 2 is the only smallest prime number. Except 2, all other prime numbers are odd. Only 2 is a smallest and even prime number. Except 2, all other prime numbers are odd. Then next is composite number. Composite number means what? Simply you are having more than 2 factors. Suppose you are having 6. Now 6 is divisible by 1, divisible by 2. 1 6 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. As you can see, we are having 4 factors of 6. So this is composite number. In composite number, you will have factors 2 or more than 2. Then next is prime numbers from 1 to 100. So you are having natural numbers from 1 to 100, and now we have to find which are the prime numbers here. So the first step is what? Starting from 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we will strike it out 1. Clear? Then after 1 we are having 2. And as you know, 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. So encircle 2 and now strike out all the other numbers which are exactly divisible by 2. So as you know, 4 is a divisible by 2. So strike it out. 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, then 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, then 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Since these all numbers are divisible by 2, so that's why we are striking it out. And as you know about prime numbers, prime number means what? Divisible by 1 और द नंबर itself. प्राइम नंबर मीन्स क्या? या तो 1 से डिवाइड होगा सिर्फ, या नहीं तो वो खुद से डिवाइड होगा. एक्चुअली 1 से तो सब नंबर डिवाइड होते हैं, तो हम 1 को उतना ज़्यादा कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं. हम ये कंसिडर करते हैं कि वो नंबर खुद से डिवाइड हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. अगर सिर्फ खुद से ही डिवाइड होता है तो वो प्राइम नंबर है. नेक्स्ट इज़ 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, देन 62, 64, 66, 68, 70. ये सब 2 के मल्टीपल्स हैं. 72 भी जाता है, 74, 76, 78, 80, ये 90 भी जाता है, 100 भी जाता है. ये सब स्ट्राइक आउट हो जाएंगे, सब कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. सॉरी. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर इज 3. नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर इज 3. So now strike out all the numbers which are divisible by 3. So as you can see, 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3 ja 9, so strike it out. And 3 5 ja 15, strike it out. Then 3 7 ja 21, strike it out. Then 33 divisible by 3, cancel. Then 39 is also divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. Then 51 is also divisible by 3. 57, 19 3 ja 57. Then yes, 21 3 ja 63. 23 3 ja 69. 25 3 ja 75. Then next is 87. Then next is 93. Then 99. After that we are having 4, which is already striked out here. Next one is 5. 5 is a prime number. Prime is a prime number. Now multiples of 5. 10 cancelled, 15 cancelled here, 20 is striked out, 25 cancel, then 35 cancel, then 45 cancel, then 55 cancel, 65 cancel, then 85 cancel, 95 cancel. Next is 6, which is already striked out, not a even number. 7 is a even number, clear? So 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 24, sorry 7 2 ja 14, strike it out. 7 3 ja 21 already striked, 28 भी कैंसिल है, 35 भी कैंसिल है, 42 कैंसिल है, 49 कैंसिल, then 56 कैंसिल, 63 कैंसिल, 70 कैंसिल, 77 कैंसिल, then 84 कैंसिल, 91 कैंसिल, then 98 cancel, over. So next prime number is 11. Multiples of 11 already cancelled here. So then as you can see, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, then 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, then next is 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These all encircled are prime numbers. So like this we are finding prime numbers. And the one more important is what? The number which is divisible by 1 or itself is known as prime number. Keep it in mind. Next topic is prime factors. Okay, so we are having number 24 and the factors of 24. As you know, 24 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now in this numbers we have to find which are the prime numbers. So 2 is the only even prime number, 3 is a prime number. So only 2 and 3 are prime numbers in factors of 24. So 2 and 3 are prime factors. So prime factors you have to write P dot F. For factors only F, but for prime factors you have to write P dot F.